my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today I'm going to open this package with you guys. It is a new cover for my Happy Planner. It is from Moterm. I believe that's how you pronounce it. I'm going to open and show you, and we can go from there. Just make sure that the shipping slip is out. So yeah, it is Moterm or Moterm. I got the classic size Happy Planner leather cover. It is going to be my cover for 2025. So I'm just getting ready, and I thought I will share with you guys what this looks like and so on. So it comes in a nice dust bag like so. So when you're not using it, it's nice to store it, especially because this is real leather. So let me show you. I got the black one. It is so soft and nice, and it has so many pockets. I pulled out just a simple notebook to show you how it fits. So right there. Okay, let's go through all the feature of this lovely thing here. So we have quite a few credit card pockets. Okay, then you have this pocket where you could fit like a sticker book or something. Let's see. Yeah, that could definitely fit. Yep. Okay, perfect. You have a pocket here in case you wanted to put this on the other side. I'm gonna take this notebook out and show you the rest. You have smaller pockets here if you wanted to include smaller notebooks. Let me see if I have a journal that would fit this. Just try my actual journal just for fun. Yep, so there you go. Or even this one. There. So if you had like a tin notebook, you could put it on the back of there. There's also one here, one here, one here. Like I said, and then this one doesn't have the top opening, but does have a zipper right in here that you can put receipts and stuff like that. So it is quite a stunning cover. Like I said, it is real leather. Yeah, it says it can fit expander disc. These are disc agenda at 1 point something. So let's see if it will fit this. Obviously, this cover is a little chunky. But yeah, look, no problem. So that's what that would look like. So not bad at all. So I could even use this cover if I chose to, but I'm going to be using the beautiful covers that my planners come with. Actually, for next year, I'm going to be using a different cover. So I'm going to share the setup with you guys very, very soon. But yeah, that is the cover. This is like quite flexible. So is this. But like I said, you can put everything together. The pen loop is quite generous. Oh, and there's one more pocket here. So this is so many pockets. Looks like there's an enforcement right here for the discs. But yeah, this is a fantastic cover. It is not that expensive. I think this one was around $75. I'm gonna put it away. And yeah, we're gonna go ahead and set this up for the new year. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.